Today's practical is to prepare biodiesel. Biodiesel is commonly made using a process called transesterification. Vegetable oil is composed of triglycerides, which is triester of glycerol. To make biodiesel, the triglycerides are reacted with methanol. The reaction is extremely slow, and so we need to add catalyst in it. Potassium hydroxide can be added in it to speed up the reaction, and it results into formation of biodiesel and glycerol. So we see the demo how biodiesel is prepared. For preparation of biodiesel, we need separating funnel, tripod stand, we need beaker. Here we'll be using KOH as a catalyst. Vegetable oil, which contain triglyceride, we'll be using olive oil here. Methanol, and we need measuring cylinder. So first, we're going to take 10 ml of olive oil. This olive oil should be warm. So it is preheated, it's warm olive oil, and now we are adding it into a separating funnel. So we have washed this separating funnel thoroughly with properly with the methanol first. Then we have added now olive oil 10 ml, and now we'll be adding again 10 ml of methanol in it. This is 10 ml methanol I'm taking here. Now adding 10 ml methanol here in the separating funnel. And we'll allow it to mix for some time. So after mixing methanol and olive oil, now we are adding KOH. This is methanolic solution of KOH, and 1.5 ml KOH we have added here. So KOH will act as a catalyst. We'll mix it properly, and again we'll keep it for 5 to 6 hours. So reaction will happen, and biodiesel will form. So the upper layer is biodiesel layer, and while lower the bottom layer is glycerol layer. So biodiesel is formed. So the reaction is formed in the olive oil and methanol in the presence of KOH as a catalyst, and biodiesel is formed. So biodiesel is biorenewable, biodiesel is carbon neutral. Plants use the same amount of CO2 to make the oil that is released when the fuel is burned. Biodiesel is rapidly biodegradable and completely non-toxic. Biodiesel has a higher flash point than the petroleum diesel, making it safer in the event of crash. Biodiesel has a high cetane number of above 100 compared to only 40 for petroleum diesel fuel. The cetane number is a measure of fuel's ignition quality. The high cetane number of biodiesel contribute to easy cold starting and low idle noise. So this is the way of making a biodiesel, where the oil, vegetable oil, or the animal fat, and we can also use animal fat at the place of vegetable oil. So the amount of vegetable oil and alcohol, we can vary it, and depending on the variation of the amount of alcohol and vegetable oil, the amount of formation of the biodiesel varies. So this is just a demo. By this way, we can prepare biodiesel. Thank you.